Hi everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if fast charging isn't working in your device Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So if you want to enable fast charging in your device Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable fast charging in your device.